One.
Hello, guys. This is Stephanie. I wanted to get on here and start dabbling with the screencast feature that I have on my computer. And I also wanted to use it to record some videos for my girlfriend's daughter. She's in a pre-calculus class and she is taking um, her final exam this week. So I wanted to do some of the problems on video and send them to her. Okay. And we'll probably also conduct a actual um, session on the whiteboard in real time. But I wanted to get on here and just kind of give you a taste of what most people experience when they do have tutoring sessions with me online in real time. Okay, so I'm going to solve a exponential equation today because that is part of my girlfriend's daughter's final exam packet, and she wanted me to do a problem such as this. So here we go. And this may help somebody else who is taking their final exam this week or next week. Okay, so we have an exponential equation here. All right, we have 3 raised to the 1 minus 2x equals 243. Okay, now we have two situations here where we have an exponent on this side and we have a whole number on this side. But here's the thing. We have to get this 1 minus 2x out of the power position, okay? We can't solve for x with it in that position. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to keep this left-hand expression like it is, but we're going to have to convert this 243 into an exponent that has a base of 3, just like the other side, okay? Now, how do we do that? Well, we're going to have to go through our list of powers that have a base of 3, okay? Now, you can Google it, you can evaluate this on your calculator, but what you want to do is you want to start going through your powers of 3, like I'm doing here, okay? So you'll go 3 to the first power, which equals 3. Then you'll keep going until you come up with a power that equals 243, okay? So you'll keep going. You'll say 3 squared, which equals 9, right? And you'll just keep going through them until you get to 243. 3 to the third power, okay? You can do this. I'm doing this by hand, guys, but you can use a calculator, or you can Google a power list for bases of 3 also. All right, so 3 cubed is 27. 3 to the fourth power is 81. And then finally, when you get to 3 to the fifth power, you will find that that is 243. Okay, now we got our magic number here, 243, okay? Now, we're going to reintroduce this equation, but we're going to rewrite the right side, okay? We're going to keep this left side the same, 3 raised to the 1 minus 2x, okay? Now, instead of setting that equal to 243, now we're going to set it equal to 3 to the fifth power, okay? Now, here's the beautiful thing about exponential equations. Once you have both sides of your equation represented by a base of 3, or in any base in that case, as long as both sides have the same base, you no longer need to solve this equation with the bases, okay? That's a property of exponents. Now you can actually solve this equation with the powers themselves. Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite this equation with the powers on each side. 1 minus 2x equals 5. Okay, now what are we going to do after that? Well, we're going to use good old-fashioned algebra, okay? Now, at this point, I'm going to assume that you know how to isolate x, okay? So I'm going to get the 1 and the negative 2x away from the x, okay? I mean the negative 2 away from the x. So first thing I want to do is get this 1 away. So because I have a positive 1 here, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. Remember, guys, what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So that's why I'm subtracting 1 from both sides. Okay, you cancel out your 1's. And now you have negative 2x equals 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now you want to get the negative 2 away from x by dividing by negative 2. Since we're multiplying negative 2 to the x, you have to divide by negative 2 to get it away from x. Okay? Cancel those out. Now we have x equals 4 divided by negative 2, which is negative 2. And we're finished. Okay? Now you can always check your solution by plugging negative 2 back into the original equation. So I'm going to write the original equation. I'm going to replace this x up here with negative 2, okay? So now we have 3 raised to the 1 minus 2 times negative 2 equals 243. Okay? Now, I'm going to evaluate this area first, okay? Now, I have negative 2 times negative 2, okay? And you're going to have 1 plus 4, okay? This area right here turns into 3 raised to the 1 plus 4, okay? That negative 2 times negative 2 equals 4. Set that equal to 243. Okay, so now we have 3 raised to the 5th power. And 3 to the 5th power does equal 243. Why? Because we use that up here when we were trying to solve our equation. And we are finished. Okay, so this is just a quick example of an exponential equation that most students find when they take a pre-calculus class. Okay? Alrighty. Bye.